Model 2012 Volkswagen Caddy C20 TDI 75 starts runs needs turbo easy fix very clean no VAT. Body white panel van. Mileage 178999. Engine 1598 cc 1.6 TDI 75 PS. Transmission 6-speed manual front wheel drive. Mechanical summary starts great. Runs great. Turbo needs replacing straightforward simple turbo replacement job. Engine clutch and gearbox are fantastic. Nice clean van definitely worth repairing. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is in decent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van. Features, parking sensors, air-con, wind-up windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.